You're getting late, bro. Wake up. It's a big day. Alright, let's do it then. But at first, let me show you the most minimal things that you should be packing for the Annapurna Circuit Trek. And before the video even begins, let me bring this back into consideration topic. You will know why after all this finally ends. This is going to be epic bus journey because I am taking all of you watching right now along with me in and mountains, but that is going to change very soon from now onwards. It was about 1 PM. We got off the bus to Pokhara, got into a local bus to Besisahar, and it was like getting lost into the whole new world. This route is something you might prefer to walk instead of traveling by bus. The musty smell of mango pickle and the hot air rising inside the bus. But who cares? I was more concerned about the Annapurna range that was being visible. This place is a heaven to any landscape photographer, with fields below the hill and Marsyangdi river adding to the beauty. epic, just epic. We are finally here at Besisahar, the gateway to the Annapurna Circuit, located between the green wildlife-filled mountains. It is a town located at the valley, surrounded by mountains. And now, let us go scouting of the town, starting from the Gateway Himalayan Resort. While we were enjoying the evening tea, we met this amazing traveler friend, whose story inspired all of us. She's a great solo traveler, having traveled 52 districts of Nepal. Just amazing travel diaries. The town of Besisahar is wonderful at night, with decorative lights glowing at distance, tourists regaling and dancing after their trek, and the mountains, where you can hear the call of jackal. We wished we could stay the whole night and hear out the jackals, but we needed sleep more than anything, because the next day we're going to Manang, and I will see you at 5 a.m. the next morning.